Hello everyone. Thank you again for coming to Steno 24/7, where I am trying to meet all of your dictation needs. Thank you for the new subscribers and for the old subscribers. Thank you so much. Now, today we're working on case number 10, 1002 words on the subject of auto accident. This will be at 80 words per minute. Ready? That's right. Question. I have not introduced myself. I am the assistant county attorney and I am conducting this examination under the supervision and instructions of the coroner. I am about to ask you some questions. I want to tell you that under the laws of this state and under the Constitution of this state, you have a perfect legal right not to offer any information that might tend to incriminate you. A person has the right to refuse to give any information that might tend to prove you guilty of a crime. Do you understand? Answer, yes. Question. Now that I have explained to you, do you wish to testify? Answer, yes. Question. Do you waive your constitutional right? Answer, I do. Question. How old are you at the present time? Answer, 28. Question. Are you a married man? Answer, I am. Question. Do you have children? Answer, yes, 3. Question. What kind of work do you do? Answer, I am a salesman. Sell tires for Tires Limited. Question, where is the main office? Answer, right here, this city. Question, do you work on the road that is over a territory? Answer, right. Question, on the day of June 6th, were you driving a car? Answer, I was. Question, where were you driving to? What was your destination? Answer, to Springfield. Question, were you traveling on business? Answer, well, no. I was traveling through to start work Tuesday. I was to be in Springfield Tuesday. I was to work the jobbers and the stores there the next day. Question, where did you cut off the main highway? Answer, I had breakfast and picked up my car at the garage. Question, did you have anything to drink that morning before leaving on this trip? Answer, no. Question, you picked up your car at what time? Answer, I was there about 9 o'clock. Question, on the entire trip, from the time you left until the time of the accident, were you alone? Answer, that is right. Question, did you stop any place after you left the city limits? Answer, yes. My engine was a little warm and I stopped to take on some water. While the man was putting the water in, I had a bottle of 7 Up and a bag of potato chips. Question: where was this? Answer: I don't know. Just a little station out of town, a few miles. Question: did you have anything to drink anywhere along the way? Answer: no. Question: not even a bottle of beer? Answer: after or before? Question: did you have any after that then? Answer: yes, I did. I had 1 bottle of beer between North River and South River. Question: did you have more than 1 bottle? Answer: no. Question: did you stop for lunch anywhere? Answer: no. Question: you had no lunch up to the time of the accident? Answer: right. Question: as you were riding along, did you have any difficulty in driving? Answer: no. Question: were you sleepy at all? Answer: no. Question: how long have you been driving a car? Answer: for 10 years. Question: hadn't you planned on having lunch? Answer: yes, but the accident took place before I came to a good place to eat. Question: will you tell us what the traffic was like after you got out on the road? Answer: there was quite some traffic on the road, fairly heavy. Question: both ways? Answer: yes. Question: how fast were you driving? Answer: around 60 in there. Question: did you pass a number of automobiles? Answer: I passed some and several passed me. I don't know how many. Question: can you remember anything that might have interfered with your driving? Answer: no, I can't. Question: could you have fallen asleep? Answer: no. Question: and you say you were not under the influence of liquor of any kind? Answer: no. Question: do you remember where this accident happened? Answer: well, just this side of the river. I am not too familiar with the route. This is the first time I had ever been over this particular road. Question: do you know if the accident took place on a curve of the road, or was it on a straight stretch? Answer: a little curve, very gradual curve, but it was definitely a curve. Question: was it before you made the turn on to the curve, or after you had started the curve? Answer: I was on the curve at the time. Question: did you pass any cars while you were on the curve before the accident happened? Answer: I can't remember too much of the details. I mean, I wasn't keeping too close track of what happened. I mean, I didn't know it was going to happen. I wasn't prepared for it. Question. Did you see this car coming toward you that was involved in the accident with you? Answer. Well, just like you see any car that is coming toward you when you are driving. You don't pay special attention to it. Question. Can you say how far ahead of you this car was when you first noticed it? Answer. I don't know for sure. Question. Do you have a conscious recollection of seeing it some distance away, or was it there all of a sudden? Answer. No, it was there coming towards me. Question. On which side of the road were you when it was coming toward you? Answer. Oh, I was on my side of the road, pretty well over. Question. Does the road have a center line in it? Answer. Yes, I think so. I am not too sure. Question. It divides the road into two halves. Answer. Yes, I think so. Question. Were you over the center line? Answer. I might have been a little bit. I wasn't paying too much attention. Question. Do you recall anything about the behavior of the other automobile? I mean, while it was approaching you? Answer. We were coming toward each other, and I just started to pull over like that. Question. Just a moment. Pull over like that? Answer. I mean, I started to move toward my own side of the road, more that way. Question. Had you been hugging the center line up to that time? Answer. Yes. Question. You pulled over more toward your side? Answer. Yes. Question. Where was he when you started to do that? Answer. I can't tell just how far, but he was pretty close to me at that time. Question. What do you mean pretty close? Answer. I don't know just how close. Question. Half a block, 2 blocks away?